Take a ride in the 2002 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, intermittent wipers, power outlets, front disc rear drum brakes, wipers, variable speed intermittent, split bench seat, engine immobilizer, steel wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.